Hallo agus fáilte a bhíráis go Cagar an próiseacht Highland Whispers a roiach ag mád rígalnáis an a bhíirsteach 2020. Còignear luchd-ealain sgachéiniu a beachdachadh ar na Còig ceudfathan ach chad a thachair atáist agus chanealach bic an láith in achcha ar son gach pís a chruachaigh Alba Chruthachail. Son na ha ar náire a laia an dú ir Blas agus ben bart Pádraig Ó Tuama ag gabh chiad chéim ar a tlia seo. Gael éirenach a bhana cheanarst fat úne ar céirsnach crafi chorí míla an eintrin. Ha Pádraig a feicin cánain ag 4 chrí, creidibh, cogi agus cuach i chearst chama di beachdachadh. Rannig an pascan seo bhil Pádraig thuganne an nárscúir I chiad ó beaghdain a bhar nachgad bhil gúine san bí an sa phróiseacht. An brein seanmhog sa linguafón agus ar a fascach go cúramach an na scarfa lia bha bog sa figa le carste ruachar agus briarin Pádraig na bhrein. Còignear le hiitnach ach bhil chail dlúcharid ghaoilach agus áileach ar a Diardaoin. Fan a dain ar an scríag amach le laimh ar céir carstin tíag. Last night I dreamt my friend was dead again. All I remember is crying in my dream. I get headaches when I cry. I've cried a lot this year. I'm a man near a grave I'll never see. Zoom funeral. Cry alone. I spoke to him almost every day, often banter about what a shithole Bray is. That's rich coming from a Cork man, he'd say. We'd laugh, share a poem. He'd send texts. Here, he'd say, have a squiz at this. I have a friend who's come to stay. He came for 7 days, decided to stay more. I'll miss him when he's gone. Have I told you about the bird, he asked. He hadn't. Yesterday, while I was upstairs on a call, a finch flew in. Raymond opened every window, every door. The finch stayed put. Looked at him and hopped around the room, spied the staircase and flew up, pecked my door. Oh, his little beak. I didn't hear. I'm sorry. If you come back, I'll finish off that whiskey. I'll burn my tongue with gladness for you. Toast you, cup my hands around you, feel the welcome salting of my face. I'll get a headache for a day or two, a week. Who cares? I open every window, every door.
I'll take a glass of kindness yet for old lang syne.
A caundai manach a lochapir va briarin bria Pádraig inishim a chunne bheith ar Nick Turner o hog smuantin dóchis I géri a Còig agus crag. Noch gan thóran seo, ghlainne Cainis agus go hain ferigab immer cúpan Cainis an the watercolour. Gajirava be Jim Hunter I chiad dunne riamh a hanig a chláraigh an san studio. Có bear a bhí mach carstas le hit seo. Rhain good Jim agus ceolalas briarin nig go tua, Victoria Caine an Inbhir Nis. Agus thachair dyrach gur jo chuoinechain agus graag mór ag Victoria, mar a bhac am hín Shine Jim blianach in mór ag féisrós an nulopol. Mar sin bhai díirich glés son an nachchéim seo slí a bhlais. Còig luchd-ealain, Còig ceudfathan agus Còig cúpalan. Victoria a rúrach agus noch I céil íontach. Ans na carstin taró ha Còig na cúpalan is saoilach dhiubh mar an céadna I céint ais agus I céint ort súlí bríseach dúil ach corm me gas dunne céint ort de thuil na stóchasaiche.
Close every window and door to the world. I'll take a glass of kindness yet for old lang syne.
So I played on the idea with the cups. There was 5 artists, 5 senses, so I kind of picked up on 5 cups, which kind of, and then there's a sort of play on the theme of the idea of tarot cards and the 5 of cups, which is quite a dark reading to get. And then in contrast to that is the single dram, which represents all that we kind of hope for in terms of you know, the kind of having our friends and family round us and being able to welcome into our space and to share a dram, share coffee, a cup of tea and a biscuit, you know, that togetherness, and that hope for the future, which is we could all do with at the moment. And in terms of the materials used, I tend to use a lot of kind of found objects and materials. So the copper comes from the house, and the oak comes from the house, and the plaster, the single dram was actually soaked the single cup was soaked in a dram of whiskey. So there's actually a dram within the cup, as well as hopefully in the cup and the little copper bowl. And altogether, just looking forward to those days where we can welcome each other into our spaces, share time, share memories, and just share company.
Cúpan an dáchais, cúpan an céinis, agus cúpan an big na stúin a bhlaichas gan ruchgachadh ula Còig. Drama Cagar an cuideach, rud a chaia dhiubh ula go táiseach gamach Highland Whispers. Mar is tríochge na Diardaoin Còignear son a chiad tuiris son táiseach project Còig, bad stácha tin críne son grain bí Còig. Chai seo a dhiúldaigh ré ghlasadh céinteach ach a tugal na cúpan an céinis ha anna raven a thuirs gealaí agus fíocha gan a chóir go bí coramach an ulag háast tin Còig son blasigh beag Michael an nuna bhúst. Agus has sin na tílig I hirach ar son a bhasad me ghirig, agus frickarst gan a chuidig ag Anna, ag Alex Boyd a chéim me ghirig ige a dlia seo the Highland Whispers. Agus is an hook an cuideag bhlach seoir Alex smaoineach ige ceudfathan, agus a eòlach Vic Caine, is leanamh úr a bhíar a glúin factóir nach chruasachaigh a réine na fráiseach seo. Hain agus a bhain an scarraigh van parent an hain how haris a drásta, ach is beca ha fís ag an sibhic, si ciúsach man thuil fór man cuairsteire. Well, turas gama blasta a gabsin in dú, agus chanelach ina chéimar agar slí a fráiseacht árid seo. Agus bí an cacar me ghirig, amach an rút is dúlia goin ulig a nimitach dói sé a chascoin birir laimhirtunne ná cadla horsta granny. Fiach go bishop nar cuideach agus catcher virstach go yh ulig gus a feichsin sib marach.
Pale winter sun falls gently on the page, where all the words I'd lost I now see. Though the gulf between us is as broad as any sea, I can close my eyes, walk with you through cloudless skies. I see you smile and hear you say, there's a hand, my trusty friend, give me a hand of thine. Take a glass of